Honestly, I have extensions right now, but it's been 2 weeks since I did them, so it's pretty bald. I still have some on, but it's not super full, so I hope you guys can see the difference when I wear the false lashes and without. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it dry. First impression of the eyeliner is that the tip is pretty thick. So it was, don't mind that. So it was pretty hard to draw a precise line, but the pigmentation is really good. It's super dark and it comes out really easily. Okay guys, I think it worked. Like, it stuck on my eyes. It's pretty comfortable, like it's super light and it feels like I'm wearing nothing basically. Like normally when I wear false lashes, I really like Ardell lashes, the baby's one. It feels just like that. Even though the band is pretty thick, I thought it would be uncomfortable at first, but then when I put it on, it's actually not. It's actually pretty comfortable on my eyes. Now I'm gonna attempt to put one on the other side. Oh, before I do that, I'll show you guys the difference. This is the one with the false lashes. This is the one without. For the second use of the eyeliner, I feel like it's getting pretty easy. I think you just have to get used to the brush and then you'll be fine. The lash is pretty long, so I'm sure if you guys have longer eyes, it will fit you guys fine. But since my eyes are pretty short, I have to cut them. Okay guys, both of them are on and this is what it looks like. I'm honestly super impressed with how they look on me and also how easy it is to apply them. Like at first I thought it would be like super complicated to put on, but it's exactly like how you put on a normal falsies, just without the glue. I actually think this is easier to put on because normally when you put glue on the falsies, it gets stuck on your eyelids or it gets stuck on your lashes. But then since the bond is on the eyeliner, you can just put it on to your eyes and it would automatically stick to only your eyeliner.